Happy Wednesday, everybody. It's Amy at Quilty Studio in Pentwater, Michigan. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday morning. It's beautiful here right now. We're supposed to be getting showers, so weather update like I always do. So I want to talk about a fabric line that I just got kits cut for, and some classes that are coming up. I have a schoolhouse coming up in August I wanted to touch on, and I have a new pattern to the shop, so I wanted to go over that, and hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. So let's get started. So I got a fabric line from In the Beginning Fabrics called Summer Breeze. It is, it's beautiful. It has like really summery, bright colors. Jason Yanter is known for doing these, I'll open this up so you can see. So he's known for doing border prints. So he prints them lengthwise, so length of fabric instead of width of fabric. So you can create borders, you can do, he does a ton of fun things with these. He does a lot of kaleidoscope quilts, which are really stunning. But I was struck by this one. I loved that it's a great color. It reminds me of summer, so I really really loved it. So I cut this kit. It's called Summer Fresh Quilt. So I use the borders. So he has this blue that he uses like an inside border, and then the rest is your border. And then he also had you cut it this way, so you actually used it as part of your blocks. So let me see if I can step back and show you. So this is the Summer Fresh Quilt. So in this one, he's using the border print as part of the blocks up here. And then you miter I will show you the mitered corner. Hopefully it's the best one. So you miter the corners so that it goes all the way around. And then he has really good instructions for if you're afraid of mitering. He makes it super easy, or the pattern makes it super easy. And so this quilt is 76.5 by 76.5. The kits are $100, and they are on the website right now. So you're using part of the border print for blocks, and you're using the border print for obviously your borders. And it does include the binding, which is this blue is your binding. It was a really fast, fun quilt to make. I just thought it what a great summer quilt to put on your bed. I love this orange one. Love that one. I love all of them. They're really pretty. So I really enjoyed working with this fabric. It really has a soft, wonderful hand. So, no, we'll flip back. So, love this line. So this one's called Summer Breeze. So I obviously have some of it on the bolt, but now I've cut all the kits, so it will be available in kits as well. So go on to solisbequilty.com, or the link is in the description. Just an aside, just to let you know, we're on Threads now, so, and Instagram, Facebook, and then YouTube. So go and like and join our pages. That helps us, so that would be fantastic. So thank you. So I wanted to talk about a couple of other things. So we're having a class on Saturday, and it was just for the Making Tracks quilt, which is, here's like a piece of it. So it's working with 60-degree rulers. So we kind of decided to kind of talk about triangular rulers. So we're going to, you can either work on the Making Tracks quilt, or we're going to go over, a 30-degree ruler, and that we're going to do this over-under table topper. So the over-under table topper, I'll show you the two rulers. That was so good, Mark. I know. So there's this 30-degree ruler from Creative Grids, which you'll use with the over-under table topper. And then two sizes. I carry two sizes of the 60-degree ruler. So there's the, I think this is an 8-inch finish size, so it's an 8.5. And then this is a 12-inch finish size, and you can do everything in between. And this one is the 60-degree, so 12 and 8 finish sizes. And then I'll hold up this one so you can see it better. So the difference between the 30-degree ruler and the 60-degree ruler. So the 30-degree ruler, maybe put these on top so you can see. So the 30-degree ruler does these triangular, the 60, sorry. The 60-degree ruler does these triangular shapes. And then the 30-degree ruler does more of the diamond shape. So here's half of the table topper. So it's the pattern makes 48, a 36, or 24. I have the kits I have are for the 48. And then this is a Halloween table topper, so you can make, two smaller sizes. It would be fantastic on, and you can also make a tree skirt out of this, which we will do coming up for the Christmas holiday. But, I mean, this was really quick and fast. I cut these and put this half together last night in about an hour. I do so Mach 5 with my hair on fire, but really fun ruler to work with, and you really get to see some of the really fun prints. So that's that one. So if you're interested, I will have both classes on there, or you can stop by for a demo. So we'll do the demo at like 2 o'clock, so that way everybody who's working on their stuff can get, further in their projects. But if you'd like a demo on one of these, love to show you these two rulers. They're really fantastic. So I'm going to move these over. And so for people who don't know, this is a Singer 221. And I just said Singer. Anyway. So this is what they call a featherweight. So this is Josie. And I first got a featherweight probably about 8 years ago. And now I have 4. Anyway. My really good friend who owns a quilt shop on the other side of the state, Bittersweet Quilt Shop, is coming to do a schoolhouse August 17th. It's from 10 to 2. It's on a Thursday. It's $55, but it's so worth it. She gives you a little bit of history of the featherweights. She shows you how to use some of your attachments. We clean, grease, oil your machine. She tells you, so she'll show you how to take it apart and then fly. Anyway, she'll show you how to take it apart and then how to figure out what year it is, and how to wind a bobbin, how to change your needle, all that good stuff. I really love mine. Super portable. This went with me to Florida this year for a conference, and it just travels beautifully. So that is a Singer. It is on the class website under Featherweight Clinic or Schoolhouse. So come, and I only have limited spaces. I only get her once a year usually, so please sign up. It's super fantastic information, and really fun day. So that's that. So a new pattern to me, which has been super popular on Instagram, is the Noodlehead 241 tote. So if you go on Instagram and you're a bag maker or you look at bags, you usually see this cute little bag. So I got it in stock. I'm preparing to make my sample. So I'm going to use the, so the owls are going to be the main part. And then this little area right here above the pockets is going to be like this kind of, this like yellow, greeny yellow in the back. And then the pockets are going to be this crazy, because too much of that makes your eyes go buggy. And then that is my lining. So I'm trying to decide whether I want to use the Tula Pink webbing for the handle, or maybe use that or that for the handle. Not sure, but that's the new bag pattern that I just got, or I've discovered. So we're going to be making a sample out of that. What else is coming up? Make and takes are Thursdays from 2 to 5. So go on and check those out. We have a few things coming up. I'll have the tabletop topper for that one done today, so I'll at least take a picture and put the picture on Facebook so you can see what it looks like. And we have the easy backpack is one of them. I want to remind everybody that I made kits for the Pentwater fabric. Should I go grab it? Oh. So I just got more Pentwater fabric that I designed for the shop in back in stock. So we have it in the cotton, and we have it in the lightweight twill. So I have several bags that are made out of this fabric, which is great if you're in town and you want a little souvenir. So we have a beach bag with the vinyl mesh, and then we have the stand and stow with that folds up, which is a great like little grocery bag or all around bag. So there's a few things we're going to that are either already made or we'll finish cutting out for the Pentwater fabric if you're interested. And what else do I need to talk about? So we have, make and takes, make sure that you sign up for Wednesday Open Sew if you're coming. So I make sure I have a seat for you. Love to see everybody's shining faces. Love the energy when everybody's in the shop. So come and do a make and take. There's a couple of Friday ones that I will add in. So you can either come on a Wednesday or a Friday. And then just check out classes that'll be coming up. And I'm so excited that summer's here. I love the energy of everybody in town, and I love how busy it is. It's like old home week, everybody coming back into town. So great to see everybody, and come see us next Wednesday, or come see us all week. Just a reminder, we're open on Mondays for the summer season, so June, July, and August. And so you'll see my husband's shining face, and my friend Gloria will be here to help you on Mondays. So have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you next week.